What does a pair of pants like these cost to make?
$43 to make. $110 is the average cost.
How did you sell clothes to get to 6.7 million in sales?
Yeah.
Because post-pivot, it seems to be a challenge.
Let me ask you one question. You are a very talented designer, but have you ever been a CEO of a manufacturing business?
No.
I can tell. I don't know where you are in the continuum of when your story gets traction or not. I'm a very pragmatic investor.
Yes.
I like to take $500,000 and pour it on a business model that's already proven.
Yeah, I disagree with you, of course.
I get it.
I disagree with you
but
because
it's my $500,000. I'll cry if I want to.
And that's
I
why
must say, for this reason, I'm out.